Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. Yeah, I have a little bit of a blush thing going. I was trying a new blush palette for a 4 for 4 and it was intense. Way more blush than I meant to, and I barely tapped into it. So look for that coming up. But in the meantime, today is unboxings. I have my Ipsy box, or my Ipsy bag. I have my Macy's beauty box, and I have Walmart beauty box because, yeah, I didn't cancel it. I thought about it, and then I didn't do it. So, yeah. If you have not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you get any of these subscriptions, what you got in yours this month. I'm always really interested to know what other people are getting as well. All right, let's start with Macy's. I did take it out of the box because the box was a little bit beat up, and I am like so irritated with it right now because it keeps like falling. I was trying to take the photo for the thumbnail, and I was screaming at this because it kept slipping away and just making me so irritated. So we have this stupid shower cap. That was what they included instead of a bag this month. Honestly, I'm not going to use it because I don't use shower caps, and I'm just going to put this in my pass along pile. So I'm not going to open it because I don't feel like it. Sorry. I'm really irritated right now. So that's what it looks like. Let's see if there's a better picture of it. Nope, that's the best I can get. So this month they did include a $10 off coupon instead of a $5, but it is 10 off of 40 instead of 10 off of 20. So keep that in mind. Yeah, you can kind of see the pattern on it. I don't know if I would be able to get it back in the box, and I just not a person who ever uses shower caps. And whenever I've had a shower cap, they just disintegrate like that material so fast. Tissue paper be gone. Okay, so the first thing in here I'm seeing is the Tony Moly mask. I've had these before. These are I really like this one. This is the Pore Care one. I'm red wine. They're like $3, I want to say. Let's take off this coupon so I don't accidentally give my code away. This last month I had the hardest time with my code. It wouldn't work, and eventually I like contacted Macy's customer service on Facebook, and they said send us the order number and all of the information, and then we'll refund. And they did refund the $5, but it was still kind of irritating. So $3. Yep, I was right. $3 for this. So this is a good thing. I will definitely use that. Then the next thing in my lap is from Clarins. This is a Body Fit Anti-Cellulite Contouring Expert. It's 8 mils. Let's see what the full size of this is. A full size is $71. So this is supposed to be for your body. This might work once on if you're trying to do like your tush, like when you're going out to swim or something. But man, this is not going to help at all. Reduce the look of cellulite, give the skin a little lifted look, and reshape the silhouette. That's a high order for something so small, and that hardly has anything in it anyway, and it just fell on the floor. So this is today. I don't know. I was fine until this box started being a pain in the butt. Okay, Clean Reserve, or this is Clean Classic, sorry, and this is Rain. I've had this before. I don't really like this scent. The retail is $44, so it's just showing the small bottle here. Yeah, I've given everything else away. So yeah, that's fine. I will pass that along because it's not something that I am interested in. This is something I will use, though. This is the Ritual of Sakura by Rituals, and it is rice, milk, and cherry blossom, and it is a body wash. I've used these quite a bit. The full size is $12.50. I do find, like, I try to use up my aerosol type things like this, or, you know, the cans pretty quickly, because I have had some of them that I've started and then come back to a few months later, and they no longer propel anything out. So I try to make sure I use them quite quickly after I open them. Then we have nail polish remover. Okay, interesting. It is non-drying and acetone free. It's from Mineral Fusion. We've gotten stuff from them before. It is $11.99 for a full size. I hope this is not a full size. This is 3 ounce. So pretty good size. I will use it. I wonder if it has a smell to it. It is sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed because I don't have scissors next to me. Okay, what else do we have? I have one more thing. So this is a coconut body scrub from Mario Badescu. Once again, like, don't give me body care this size. This is not enough to give me any idea whatsoever. This is not enough to cover my body once. Like, this, acceptable size. These, not acceptable sizes. So this retails for $16 for a full size, which isn't too bad. I don't know how big a full size is. I wonder if I can tell. So 6 ounce is a full size. So not terrible, not the best. Other than that stupid shower cap and this bundle not wanting to stay like stacked or bundled, it was fine. I will use most of it. So I'm going to pass on the perfume because I know I don't like it. And I'm going to pass on the shower cap, but the other 5 items I'll actually try. I mean, these 2 are not like exactly exciting or like I'm going to get any real use out of them. I feel like the sheet mask is more useful than these, but all in all, not too bad for $15 a month. At least they haven't raised the price like so many other subs. Okay, I'm hoping that I'm not as irritated as I was with that. Like, the whole experience was just annoying for some reason. Ipsy. This is not the April bag. I got an email the day that this was delivered that said, oh, here's your tracking number. Great, thanks. And by the way, we didn't get the April bags in, so we just substituted another bag. So I think this one was like a January plus bag. I have the regular bag and it was green with a green zipper. And I have multiples of those because I've gotten those as like gifts when I purchased add-ons and stuff. So my mom has this. This is what she keeps all of her like keys and stuff in, the smaller version of it. So I have this, and then they gave me 600 points so that I could redeem for the April bag, which makes sense because I was like, why do I suddenly have 600 extra points? No record of them anywhere on Ipsy. And then they put the Ipsy bag in there. I was like, why would people want that bag? Like, it seems really weird. So I have redeemed for it. I will get it next month. Fingers crossed. So in here we have our the card, and it says keep growing, and it doesn't tell you anything. So it's one of those worthless cards. I hate those cards. The first thing in here is from Lucky Chick, and this is a lipstick in the shade Paradise 011. You know, kind of lightweight packaging. I don't see myself wearing this color like at all. Not really. It's almost there, but it's just a little too browny for my taste, so I'm going to pass that lipstick along. Then we have a bubble wrap. This is from V Cosmetics, and this is a blush in the shade Magnolia. Let's see. I don't know why that seemed hard to open. Okay, pretty color. Pretty color. Very bright color, very, very bright. So that might be another one like that ends up being overly blushed. So be careful with that if you got that one. Okay, the next thing in here is from Dionysus. This is a goat milk body lotion. Oh, I thought it was a hand cream at first. I was really excited. This is in this scent, White Jasmine and Shea. These are always sealed. But I think it smells pretty good. I don't want to open it because I have so many lotions open at the moment. But I might just use it as a hand cream because I do like their hand cream. So pretty good. Then this is what I chose. This is from Glow Recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Excited to try these. I have been wanting to try. I really like what's the word? Glow Recipe. I really like Glow Recipe. Duh. I feel like my brain is just not working. And then the last thing in here is an eyeliner, and this is in AM to PM retractable eyeliner. I don't wear eyeliner. It looks like it might be purple. It's really hard to tell. Like it's a little dark purple there. So I will be passing this along because I have so many eyeliners that I just keep throwing out because they get all like dried out and I've never used them, and I try to sharpen them and they're still dried out. And if they scratch my hand, I'm not going to put them on my eyes. So 2 things that I will be passing along. The lipstick isn't just quite my shade. Eyeliners I don't wear. The other 3, they look pretty good. Pretty blush. I already wiped it off though because it's just one of those days I will get blush everywhere. This one I'm glad about, and this one I'm glad about. So overall, not too bad of a bag. Not the best bag, but definitely I feel like it's a definite improvement from last month. I feel like last month was a big disappointment, even though I don't remember what I got last month. It's the end of the semester. It's like everything's running together. Even though like I feel like I'm in a pretty good spot other than like trying to catch up with my Instagram, which that's after the semester is over kind of thing. So all in all, Ipsy, not as irritating as Macy's to unbox, but not the best. I don't know. Both of them are kind of like meh. Walmart. I did open and check on this because it was pretty crushed. Unlike the Macy's, which was all nicely wrapped up still, this one, unfortunately, you get everything here. So the first thing I got in here was actually I was really excited about. It is from True Skin. This is a full-size vitamin C face serum, and it retails, when I look on here, it retails for $19.99, so that is a full size, so that's awesome. This box is $6.98. I've had some real duds lately, so this one has already started out really well. Okay, so cutting in really fast. This is actually what the vitamin C serum looks like. It's actually only half an ounce, so this is like a $10 version of it instead of the full size 1 ounce, but I will still take it, and I'm still excited, really excited to try this. Might try to sneak this in. I'm trying to use up. You'll see it eventually, and I'll talk about it eventually. I was also really excited to see I have this Garnier set, and I like that they put them in a sack like this because it makes life so much easier. So we have Garnier Fructis. This is the Sleek and Shine with vitamin E and argan oil. So yeah, shampoo and conditioner, good size. These are 3 ounces. I will take it. Like this is a great box so far. Then the next thing was kind of not quite as exciting. This is the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier, and it's in this, I was going to say the shade. The flavor, Golden Cherry. And as always, I have weird cuts because there's like cars that go by that are making as much noise as possible. And I don't know why. Why do you want a noisy car? The other day, there's a Mini Cooper on campus, and it was like they had souped it up so that it made so much noise, and I was like, oh, I've never heard a Mini Cooper make so much noise before. Anyway, Golden Cherry. Not sure how excited I am about this. I should try these because I've heard some good things from other people who are on YouTube, but it's not something super exciting for me. So that's supposed to be $8.98 for a 6 count. These are supposed to be $7.12, and I think that must be for both of them. So they're like 3 something each. Then this one is kind of just really. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream. It's I think like the Boschia Water Cactus Gel Moisturizer, which I have used in the past, or like the Neutrogena blue one, or Clinique Moisture Surge. So I'll try it, but it looks like it's probably about 1 use here. This retails for $14.98 for a 2 ounce full size. Then we have this guy, which I don't see on here. And this is the Found Coconut Sheet Mask. I've tried this before, I think, and it was fine. Coconut makes me a little nervous, but it's coconut water instead of like coconut oil or anything. So hopefully it will be okay. And then I got this lipstick, and this is not on my list either. This is from Lottie London, and it is a Slay All Day Matte Metallic Liquid Lip. And I can only think that it's this like brownie purplish shade in the shade Glow Up. I am not going to use this. So I'm going to pass this along. I feel bad because like I got 2 things from Lottie London today, and I'm like, nope, neither one of them. Like if this was like this type of a color or like pinky, I would be more apt to use it, but not quite this one. I actually think I enjoyed my Walmart beauty bag or beauty box the most because there's more things that I will use in it. Shampoo and conditioner, really excited about. This, I mean, really, this is it. This is why it's so exciting. These ones, not so exciting, but only one thing that I will outright pass along. So that is it for my unboxings this month. They were kind of all over the place. I'm sorry if I seemed a little irritated at one point. I don't know, like, it just really just grated on my nerves for some reason. It's also the end of the semester, so yeah. Anyway, let me know what you got in your boxes. I really want to know, and let me know if you get these subscriptions, or if you don't get them, why, or why not. Like, do you think I should keep getting them? I'm probably going to keep getting them anyway. I do have another month of Ipsy before my subscription runs out. I think it renews for the yearly in June. Anyway, let me know how you're doing as well. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.